Hi, I'm Maggie. Today, I'm going to show you how to reattach a broken belt loop. If you have a sewing machine, it's easy. You can also do this by hand if you don't have a sewing machine. The first thing I'm going to do is pin the loop down where you want it to end up. All right. Now, first thing I do is pull the pin out, but it's easy to do. Watch this. Easy, easy, easy. Pull out the pin, begin. I take a few stitches and I back stitch to lock them in place. Now I'm going to forward stitch to the bottom. Don't go farther. Now back stitch again. You can back stitch all the way to the top if you want. In fact, I will. And now I'm going to go back one more time to the bottom and back stitch. And that's it. Done. So that's all there is to it.